Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a moment to check out this video. It's going to be real short. And I wanted to do another video today um, on introducing the video that goes on the free Great Life Worldwide Capture Page Marketing System. Folks, and I tell you something, that this is so powerful. When people really see this video, they're going to understand how powerful this opportunity is. Okay, they're going to understand how much money they can potentially make. Now obviously we can't make any income guarantees, okay, but we've got a powerful program with Great Life Worldwide. The video really shares what this opportunity is about, okay? And so it's something that you need to take a look at, okay? So I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description area of this video. All right, and it's going to be the first link in the description area. Also, my waiting list, info list link is going to be there as well, so that if you want to connect with me, so that when the websites are ready, I'll be able to get the links out to you, okay? But take a look at the video, all right? It is absolutely powerful. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye-bye now.